What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at the engine air filter on a 2005 Honda Civic. Like I said, this is a 2005 Civic here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the engine air filter is located under the hood, and this is the cover for it right here. And there's 7 screws holding this cover on. There's 3 on the front, there's 3 along the back, and then there's this one in the middle. These screws will take a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket. And when you loosen them up, you just need to loosen them up to the point where they're about this far up and you can move them like this. They're not threaded all the way. And I've already got these 7 loosened up. Once they're to that point, you can pick that cover off of there. And now we can see our air filter right here. And I still need to get our replacement filter, so I'm not going to change this one right now. But when you replace yours, in this area right here, it's a good idea to grab a rag and wipe all this down. You can just see how much dirt and stuff's in there. If there's any leaves or anything, you can vacuum those out. But clean that out really good, and then go ahead and reinstall your new filter. Make sure everything's seated in there properly. Line your cover up, and then just snug down those 7 screws. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.